Your power tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brush caps. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the cap. With the cap removed, I can go ahead and pull the brush away from the brush holder. Now I can install the new brush. I align the brush with the holder, insert it into the holder, and then line up the ears on the clip with the brush holder. I'll hold the brush in place and slide the cap over it. I want to be careful that I don't over tighten the cap or I can crack it. And I repeat this on the other side. And that's all it takes to install a new set of carbon brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.